sweet hat. Where'd you find that at?
From school.
Is your ladybug hat?
Yes.
Pretty cool.
Oh, no.
What are you doing? Huh? The wind's blowing you away? Oh. Freaking mega bug here on my window at work. Look at this thing. Ugh. Go away! Ugh. Gross. Got yummy? Do you have yummy? What's on yours? Sprinkles? Daddy has a banana split. Mommy's got a boring blizzard.
Bring it strawberry cheesecake.
She didn't believe me that this is the first banana split I've ever had.
That seems pretty odd.
I just never ordered them before.
Why do you just bananas? Are you a banana hater?
Yep. Are you a banana hater?
Say no.
What did you say when you saw my ice cream?
Bananas? Ice cream.
Bananas and ice cream? That is so silly.
Hey, Bo, what are you doing? Putting on winter coats in the middle of summer?
Yeah, then I go.
Because you're cold?
Yeah.
Maybe if you put some clothes on.